Hello everyone, this is Mahdi. Now I am talk about our life, our daily life and of the various type of our other things. So Mr. Mehdi bhai, what are you thinking about life?
I think my life is very difficult and I want to try is very gorgeous and to try making very gorgeous for my life and start skilled learning English and I will go for abroad. And what do you thinking your life?
I am thinking life is a look like a war. Every person is still here because they are as a fighter and they fight against of their fear, their weakness and their mistakes, and they approve and they accept your all of kind of work. And for this reason we are all of doing work and all of our friends come here. And life, in my opinion, life is a look like a war. Thank you. And my next question is, what about you money? Is need or no need?
Money is very important things and we are every people need money because you per steps per walking way need money and but money is not important and money is important, you know.
Yeah.
Without money you are zero and with money you are hero and all sides you not use money and everything you not making money, something you making only your emotion, your behavior and your good talk, this type.
Okay, thank you. Mehdi bhai, it is my opinion. Money cannot buy happiness, but maximum people belong the middle class family. They are thinking money can buy happiness, but it is totally false because money cannot buy happiness. But it is our main point. Without money, you do nothing. Without money, in our society, in our whole of the world, you don't nothing. For this reason, money is more than important. Not more than, money is most important in our life, in our part. So money is needed. That's my next question, at last question. What is your future plan?
My future plan is very difficult. I have not many future plan. I hope my Allah and He's big planner and good planner, and I will try my best and my future have a good.
Okay, and it's my opinion that after completing my IELTS and basic course, I will go abroad because in the recent time our country and our education system is a many of the things of harmful. For this reason, I took this decision. At first, I complete my journey, basic and IELTS journey from English Fantasy, and after completing my journey, I will get my IELTS exam. And I believe that after completing my journey in English Fantasy, I get 7.5. So overall 8, I believe that, and then I will get IELTS exam and I will go abroad for my higher education. Thank you Mehdi bhai for joining my this conversation, and I think you noticed that just 15 days has gone our in English Fantasy, but at this moment we speak English better and well. Thank you very much.
I know and I noticed that improvement.